Hello everyone. Today we shall discuss about exercise 9.1 question number 7. Rewrite the following ration numbers in the simplest form, that is minus 8 by 6, number 2 25 by 45, 3 minus 44 by 72, 4 minus 8 by 10. Let us take it into simplest form. Let us take now number 1. Number 1 is minus 8 by 6. Number 1 is minus 8 by 6. Now minus 8 can be written as 8, 2 4 j 8 and 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4. That comes to minus 2 into 2 into 2, and 6 is 2 into 3, 2 into 3, and this 2 and this 2 will cut. Therefore it comes to minus 4 by 3, minus 4 by 3. This is the simplest form and this is the answer. Number 2. Number 2 is 25 by 45. Number 2 is 25 by 45. 25 can be written as 5 into 5, 5 into 5. And 45 can be written as 5 into 9, that is 5 9 is 45. This 5 and this 5 will cut, and it goes, and the answer will be 5 by 9. 5 by 9. Question number 3 is minus 44 by 72. Minus 44 by 72. Now 44 can be written as 44. 44. We divide it by 2. That is 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4, and 2 11 is 22. That comes to 2 minus 2 into 2 into 11. And 72 can be written as 72. 72 can be written as by 2. 2 3 is 6. 2 6 is 12. 2 1 is 2. 2 8 is 16. And 2 9 is 18. And 3 3 is 9. 3 3 is 9. Therefore we can write 72 as 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3. Now if we cut these 2 and these 2 and these 2 and these 2, then we are getting minus 11 by 2 into 3, 6. 6 into 3, 3 6 is 18, minus 11 by 18. Right? That is, first one is minus 4 by 3, and second one is 5 by 9. Third is minus 11 by 18, and minus 4 is question number 4. Question number 4 is minus 8 by 10, minus 8 by 10. 8 can be written as 8. It can be written as 2 4 j 8 and 2 2 j 4. Right? Therefore minus 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. And 10 can be written as 25. 2 into 5. And if we cut these 2 and these 2, we are getting minus 4 by 5. Minus 4 by 5. Right? Dear friends, if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share. Thank you everybody for watching this video.